Okay, let's talk about trim. So trim is a really useful command. It's used extensively when we're drawing and editing. Most of the time when we're drawing in Autocad, we're not going to be able to draw absolutely perfectly. So we'll have to draw construction lines to make sure that our drawing is set out correctly. So for example, here I've drawn a construction line for a triangle that's going to have a small piece cut out of it. So in order to make that small piece cut out, what I'm going to do is I'm going to trim one object against the other. So to invoke this command, all I have to do is either click on the button up at the top, or in the command line I can type TR for trim, and I can select the objects for trimming. So the first thing I do is I select my cutting edges. So in this instance I'm going to select this line here as my cutting edge. This is another reason why we should use polylines all the time, because a polyline creates a continuous cutting edge, whereas if it's a line, I'm just creating individual small pieces that will cut, and it's not as effective or efficient. So this is my cutting edge, and then I'll right click to select that as my cutting edge, and then I can select my objects to trim. So I'm just going to trim this object here, and that's done. Now I've trimmed it to the way I want it.